Hello, my name is Scott Beach, and I'm part of Sealed Bio, and this is our sample collection tube with a septic cap. Our product comes in a sterilized baggie. The user opens up the bag, removes our sample transport tube, which is preloaded with a liquid media for helping keeping the nasal swabs moist during transport to a testing facility. The user opens up the swab, swabs the patient. They remove the cap from our tube, insert the swab into the tube. There's a break point on those, snaps, falls into the tube. The user caps our tube, and now the sample is secured and ready for transportation to a testing facility. Now at the facility, they can have either a technician that receives our tube and then can load it directly into the testing instrument, or it can go into higher throughput automation that is done by bull feeders, and they automated way process our samples. Now I'm showing you is our tube in a Hamilton linear tube rack, 32 positions. You can set it inside the rack. And now I'm showing a 1 ml pipette tip piercing through our septa, going down into the media and alloquating out the sample to proceed with the test.